Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Ben and Emma.
Hi, everybody. We are so happy you are back with us. My name is Ben.
And I'm Emma. Then I am feeling really good today. The sun is shining. How are you?
I'm doing great, Emma. I woke up early, had a nice walk, and I am ready to talk about English.
That's wonderful. And what you just did, asking how are you, that is a perfect start to our topic today.
Yes. Today we are talking about greetings.
Greetings. Greetings. Greetings means how to say hello to people.
This is maybe the most important lesson for a beginner. You use greetings. We will teach you formal greetings. Formal means polite, professional, for work, or for people you don't know.
And we will teach you informal greetings. Informal means relaxed, casual, for friends and family.
By the end of this long episode, you will feel confident. You will know exactly what to say and how to answer in any situation.
As always, if you like our podcast and want to learn with us, please take a second to click the like button and subscribe. It helps our channel more than you know.
Okay, Emma, let's start with the most important greetings.
Let's begin with formal greetings. This is the safe category.
What is the number one, 100% safe, most important formal greeting?
Hello.
Hello. It's perfect. Simple, professional, everyone understands hello.
You can use hello anytime, morning, afternoon, or night. You can use it with your boss, your teacher, or a new client. Hello.
Now, there are also greetings for times of the day. These are also very formal.
Now, Ben, this is a very, very common mistake for beginners. What about good night?
This is so important. Good night is not a greeting. You do not say good night to say hello.
That's right. Good night means goodbye. You only say it when you are leaving or when you are going to bed.
So let's practice this idea. You arrive at a party at 8 p.m. What do you say?
I say, good evening.
Yes. Now it is 11 p.m. You are leaving the party. What do you say?
I say, good night.
Perfect. Okay, now for the big formal question. After you say hello, you must ask,
How are you?
how are you?
This is the most famous, most common question in English. And the answers are usually very simple.
The classic answer from every textbook is, I'm fine, thank you. And you?
This answer is good. It is polite. But Ben, do native speakers, do we say, I'm fine?
Honestly, not very often. It sounds a little... Let's try it. Hello, Emma. How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you, Ben. And you?
I'm very well, thank you.
And that's it. That is a perfect, professional, formal conversation.
Okay, Ben, let's move to informal greetings. This is how we talk to friends, family, and people we know well.
So, what is the informal hello?
Instead of hello, we say hi.
Hi.
I use hi all the time. It's friendly and relaxed.
And even more informal, just for friends, hey.
Hey. Hi and hey are the two most common informal greetings.
Now for the informal, how are you? This is where it gets fun and confusing.
Do we say, how are you to friends?
We can, but it's more common to say, how's it going?
How's it going? This just means, how are you? How is it going?
And the answer is easy. You can say, it's going well, good, pretty good, not bad.
Pretty good and not bad are very common. They mean I'm fine.
Let's try it. Hey, Ben, how's it going?
Pretty good, Emma. How's it going with you?
It's going well, thanks.
Okay, now for the most informal, most American greeting, the one that confuses everyone.
I know what you're talking about. What's up?
What's up? People say this so fast. What's up? Or sup?
What's up is very different. It does not mean, how are you? It means, what is new, or what are you doing right now?
So if I say, what's up, You should not answer, "I'm fine, thank you." That is a very strange answer.
Exactly. If someone asks, "What's up?" the most common answer is, "Not much. Nothing much."
Not much means nothing new is happening.
Let's try. "Hey, Ben, what's up?"
Not much, just working. What's up with you?
"Nothing much. Just relaxing."
See, it's a different kind of conversation. It's very, very casual, only for friends.
Okay, Ben, let's add one more special greeting. What if you see a friend you have not seen for a long time, like for 6 months?
This is a great one. You say, "Long time no see."
Long time no see. This is very common and friendly.
You can say, "Emma, wow, long time no see. How are you?"
Ben, I know, it's been so long. I'm doing great.
Wow, that was a lot of information. I think we need to practice.
Yes, it's time for everyone listening to practice.
Okay, everyone, now it's your turn to speak. We will say it, and you say it after us. Listen and repeat. Let's start with formal greetings. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
And the formal question, how are you? I'm very well, thank you. I'm doing great, thank you. And you?
Now for informal greetings. Hi. Hey. How's it going? Pretty good. Not bad.
And the very informal greeting, what's up? Not much. Nothing much.
And the special greeting for an old friend. Long time no see.
Wonderful. You are doing an amazing job. That was a lot to repeat, but you did it.
That was fantastic. You are learning fast. Now, let's see how to use all these in real situations.
Okay, Ben, let's do our first role play. This is a formal situation. I am your new boss, Miss Smith. We are meeting on Monday morning at the office.
Okay, my new boss. I must be very polite. Good morning, Miss Smith.
Good morning, Ben. How are you today?
I'm very well, thank you. And you?
I'm doing great, thank you. Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I did. It was very relaxing.
Wonderful. Well, are you ready for the big meeting?
Yes, I am. I prepared the report.
Excellent. And scene.
See? That was very formal. We used good morning, how are you, I'm very well.
We did not say, what's up?
No, definitely not. Do not say what's up to your boss.
Okay, role play number 2. This is informal. We are two friends meet.
Now, let's do one more role play, the special one. We are at the supermarket and we see each other for the first time in 1 year.
Okay, I'll be surprised.
Oh my gosh! Ben? Is that you?
Emma! Wow! Hi! Long time no see.
I know! It's been forever! How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you? You look fantastic.
Thank you. I'm good. Wow, we have to catch up.
For sure. And scene.
See? When you are surprised, you use long time no see and how are you together.
You can do this too. Just remember, formal for work, informal for friends.
Okay, everyone. You did an amazing job today. This was a long lesson. Let's review the key phrases one last time.
There are 2 types. Practice these phrases this week. Try to say, "How's it going?" to a friend, or "Good morning" to your teacher. You can do it.
You are all doing so great. Learning a language takes time, but you learned so many useful phrases today.
And that is all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for listening to English with Ben and Emma.
We really hope this lesson was helpful. We love making these podcasts for you. Please show your support by clicking like and subscribing to our channel.
It's time for our question of the day. We love reading your comments.
Today's question is simple. We want you to practice. Say hello to us in the comments.
Yes, you can use a formal greeting or an informal greeting. Just say hi. Tell us, "How's it going?" or ask us, "What's up?"
We will read every single comment and say hello back to you. We are so excited to talk to you.
Thank you again, everyone. Keep practicing and don't give up. You are improving every day.
We'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.
Bye.